Recording in progress.
Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, now is the third Zoom ya for visiting lecture session 1 for course of mineralogy class A after midterm ya advanced semester 2025-2026 ya with visiting lecturer Dr. Mohammed Abdallah Raswan Atia. In this third Zoom, this is the question and answer. Yeah, please write down your question on the chat of Zoom, and please, Dr. Raswan, you can answer question from my student directly or write down on chat ya. Okay. I hope terus benar tapi sini lang cene pertanyaan tak iki kok isi lang menukar di chat. Ya, anu mari kopi ya. Hmm? Eh? Hmm? Apa? Enggak. I don't continue the video presentation ya. Now the question and answer. Okay, Dr. Mohammed, can you read the question from my student on the chat of Zoom? Apa di anu anu iku Pip? Pip tidak ada ini anu ah.
Yes,
Hah?
Dr. Tek.
PPT
Do you hear
ya?
me? Do you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Good. Already I have read two questions from your students.
Ya Pip,
Uh,
ngomong apa Pip?
yes.
Afif, ke sini sini. My son will have to listen. Ngomong apa Pip? Pardon me? Ngomong apa Pip? Suaranya kurang keras ya Pip? Can you repeat again? Iki yang kita hilangi yo. Ya, ya dia anu di kopi na PPT ya. Ya, ingin ya. Cek. Ya, oke. Iki apa? Thank you. Iki my question iki. Iki
Oh, ini pertanyaan kedua.
iki sindi. Ayam
Iki
iki
pertanyaan.
kedua.
Oh,
Kemarin
enggak, iki Widya iki sing takon sing iki, Bu. Widya iki takon sing iki.
Lha iki sing ndi arek iki?
Lah sing dulu gak kopi.
Iki lek gak ono ah.
Dulu gak kopi. Dulu.
Hah?
Lah iki lho.
Eh?
Iki lho sing takon.
Thank you for the I would like
Iki lho sing takon iku iki.
Oh, Min A Florencia iki ya.
Heeh.
Oh iya. For Min A Florencia ya, please you give the question itu as the group. So you have to explain the name of other student uh, together with you for giving the question ya. One question for one group. 5 student for one group ya. Coba ikut dong. Iki sing iki, Beb. Yo.
Iya.
Yo. Ayam itu apa, Beb?
Nah, iki anggotane iki
Iki.
pertanyaane.
Oh iya, iki ya.
Hmm.
Iya. Oke, wis ki yo. Iki, wene iki liom ne. Yo. Oke, yo Esmeralda. Iki question iki terus iki itu mari ngono seterusnya. Itu mari ngono.
Terus
Yo. Ya, itu sih anyar nih.
enggak sih awal itu.
Hmm?
Sing awal.
Iki mana Widya wis.
Wes
Iki wis iki. Guru lek
Lho
iki.
wes sampai Nadira terakhir.
Nadia wis.
Nadira.
Nadia Esmeralda wis yo.
Wes.
Mari ngono. Iki Nadira.
Ada 4 kelompok aja.
Hmm?
4 sih question.
Ada 6. There are 6 group ya. 5 4 until 5 student for one group. Ini lagi. Ya, berani. Iki wis iki. Wis ya.
Ini
Nadira. Terakhir Nadira. Terus Imani. Sisi terakhir Nadira. Terus
udah terakhir berarti.
sudah ya. Berapa?
4 kelompok.
Still 4 question. 4 groups ya. Ini kurang 2. Remain 2 group. Ya, tak tunjukkan ya ini. Anu nih. Okay, udah stop, Dr. Raswan.
Yes, I'm hearing you.
Please you check the question and you can start to answer. If you ready, which one the first answer for which question? Yeah, this is
Okay.
the question.
Okay.
Yeah,
First question. First question by Min Florencia.
The first question.
Question ya.
Yes, by Min Florencia. Min Florencia asked a good
Florencia.
question.
Iki Florencia ya.
Yes.
Florencia ini.
Yes. I think she's a girl. I think she asked a good question about calcium carbonate in hardening or strengthening of cement. Why calcium carbonate in its natural state don't make hardening or strengthening in cement while calcium carbonate or calcium oxides make this function.
Tapi kamu di sini aja, Pip. Nanti dia ngomong ke sama ibu udah ngerti.
If you follow the presentation, you can see that the manufacturing of clinker
Apa nih?
depend on activation. What meaning activation?
Presensi ya.
Activation meaning heating, thermal heating or firing up to 1,500 degree. The clinkering or the manufacture of cement depend on the amorphosity that make the composition of the component of the raw material to react with each other. That's why clay, for example, clay can be added to the cement manufacture, but without activation, just added as a filling. Also, limestone just add as a filling. But if you want to add a pozzolanic material like burned shale or burned clay or any pozzolanic material, you must choose if the natural pozzolan has or have a free silica or active silica, which can react with calcium oxide from the portlandite. This portlandite is calcium hydroxide that elaborate from the reaction of cement with water. So calcium oxide is an active material which react with the silica from pozzolanic material like obsidian, like tuffs, like any volcanic or sedimentary materials. So calcium carbonate in its original state can be used already, but as a filling material. This answer of this question. And second question by Wida Olivia, representing group 1. These members ask a question about the chemical or the differentiation or the variation in chemical composition and mineralogical structure of rock minerals can vary significantly depending on their geologic origin. The question is, how do cement industries around the world ensure the consistency and the quality of these raw materials, which are the major challenge in the standardization process? Look, the first step in the manufacture of cement is the chemical analysis. The first step, and I mentioned that in my presentation. We must, before anything, any steps, we must make chemical analysis of the raw materials we have, whether different from each country. Sometimes in your country, the source is different from our country, from another country. Whenever the differentiation or the variation in the raw materials, we should make chemical analysis by XRF or X-ray fluorescence and XRD after merging. And this analysis or these tools ensure the quality and the consistency of the raw material that should be used in the cement manufacturing. Third question by group 3. Sinta, Lotfia, and I think Valia, Inani. Their question is, why was the calcination process employed by Aspen is insufficient to produce modern Portland cement? The clinkering or the firing temperature by Aspen, as I mentioned, was insufficient because the firing process is very important to make a phase, to make a reaction between the addition of the raw materials, clay and chalk limestone. Insufficient temperature will not produce these phases, which is responsible for hardening. So Aspen, I think the temperature of Aspen, I think is lower than 1,400 or 300 mm. But Johnson observed that mistakes or that deficient in firing temperature, and he raised the firing temperature of the raw material he used, and find a good observation for strength and setting, because setting, if we fire a raw materials, if we fire a clay and limestone in specified proportions, how can you check if the cement is produced or not? You can check by easy method. You can take your product, try to fire this composition or this raw materials at 1,000 and 1,200, 1,300 in this composition specified, and put in water. You will observe that this composition will not setting or will not hardening, and this is what Aspen problem. The fourth question is by, I think, Nadira, and I am group of with Dawi, Odi, I cannot read this name. They has two questions. First question: what the clinker formation process the most critical stage in cement clinker? Because as I answered the last questions, the clinker is the base or the skeleton of cement production. If we or if you prepare, if you fail to prepare a clinker of specified performance, you cannot produce a cement with a specified performance. So the clinker, which represent I think maybe 80% or 70% or 60% according to type of cements, according to EN 197 or ASTM C150, the base composition or the main composition of cement is the clinker. If you prepare a clinker with insufficient pressure, the produced cement will not set or not hardening. So he will fail in his function. The second question of this group is how can even small changes in firing temperature affect the mineral structure and performance of resulting cement? The cement manufacturing pass through more trials. Someone like Aspidin, already he mixed clay and chalk limestone, and but the problem is the temperature. Temperature is make I think cohesion between the components to make the phase composition like C2S, C3S, C3A. If all these components don't produce, so this means that the temperature is not attain the optimum temperature for making the performance or for making a cement of high performance like you need. Another question. Good morning, Mr. Tutuk Muhammad. I am Florencia Gelinda Notel from Group 6. My group member are Florida and others. I would like to ask a question. Cement can gradually absorb. This is the first question, I think. This is the first question. This is the first question already. I think it's repeated again. Yes. Another question from I don't know the name of this question. Yes. There is a last question. I think it's the last question. Why does sustainable development still depend on Portland cement, even though it contributes significantly to global carbon dioxide emission? Good question. According to this question, this is a challenge, new challenge nowadays, because as you mentioned, carbon dioxide emission from 1 ton of cement, I think one ton carbon dioxide, 1 ton cement production emit 1 ton, nearly 1 ton carbon dioxide emission. So any industry need an improvement with time. In industry, because the improvement or the sustainability need time to make a better product without harmful or harming the human. So nowadays, the scientists, I think, try to seek another source of materials with low carbon dioxide emission. I told or you will hear in the last Zoom session, in some countries use, I think, basalt as a source of clay because, as you know, the chemical composition of basalt is silicon dioxide, aluminum dioxide, few amount of calcium dioxide, and iron dioxide, and all these oxides or all these chemical composition are similar to clay, but the only things different between clay and basalt is the loss on ignition, which emit carbon dioxide to the air. So cement industry with time need to improve this product. Another question: why does EN 197 Part 1 allow addition of minor additional constituent filler up to maximum 5% without affecting cement classification? And what are the technical risks if the filler content exceed? Yes, EN allow to put maximum 5%. So the exceed of this percent will be or will decrease the strength of the product like concrete, and increase the porosity, increase permeability, and decrease the density of the resulting product like concrete or any type of concrete project. So we must follow this table of EN, and if we exceed this percent of any addition like limestone, any addition more than 5%, maybe will be a damage, not damage by the word, but decrease or reduce the quality of the product, as I mentioned now. I think there's another question. Yes. Why does a mixture of limestone and clay produce material with hydraulic properties capable of hardening in water, whereas neither material possess those properties on its own? I told you the cement manufacturer, whether the name is cement or other adhesive material, passed through more trials from the dawn of the history. First, people use, like Egyptian people, don't use clay and limestone to make adhesive material. They use gypsum. And burnt gypsum. And firstly, they use dried clay, not burnt clay. But by time, they found new product by new processes like burning at different temperature. Why these trials? Because with time, the mind expand with time, and new materials are discovered by time. So these products finally found that like Aspidin, like Johnson, found that limestone and the clay are a hydraulic material by firing the trial at different temperature. So the mixture, this mixture was not the first trial. This is the last trial. As your question of your group or your friends, why cement is now used although carbon dioxide emission? This question tell us or tell me that the progress in searching by scientists, what the aim of this progress, or what the aim of the scientists in the lab or in the field of any type of industry to improve the product, any type of product. If you produce a type of product like cheese, like any type of food industry, this is not the end of the product. No, this is a trial, and by time you discover a new, maybe new step to improve your product, to enhance the performance of this product. I think Dr. Topic, there is no question else. Dr. Topic, can you hear me?
Any question again? More question? I think it's has been 90, six question, and for each some itu give you 2 questions, I think. Any question again? More question from student? No? Gak ada. Gak ada pertanyaan lagi? Semuanya pakai why ya. Bentar ya. Why? Oke, ini why and how. Why and how. Then why? Okay. For the question, I will give you the scores, but no score for the answer. If you still not satisfied for the answer by Dr. Muhammad Raswan, you can search by yourself ya in Google ya. I think it's easy ya. Oke. Ini apa ini? Ini what? Oh. Masih berhenti how? Ini how? Oh ini ada why-nya ya. Why and what? Sudah. Ya, I think it's enough. All give the question about why ya. It is the highest score ya for the question. Okay, is it enough? No more question from you? Gak ada pertanyaan lagi ya. Berapa Pip yang ngisi anu? Skor masih 28 mahasiswa yang ngisi evaluasi dan presensi. Please fill the itu ya attendance ya and Google Form to give the evaluation for Dr. Muhammad Abdallah Raswan Atyai. I think he is excellent today ya. Alhamdulillah alamin. He can explain friendly in presentation and also the answer the question ya. Close. Alhamdulillah alamin. Okay. If no question anymore, please on cam for a while to take picture together ya. Please student on cam for a while. Ayo kita berfoto bersama. Ya alhamdulillah ya. Sebentar ya. Oke, ini Widya masih burak ya, oke. Dr. Raswan, can you near the screen? Oke. Yang lain ini masih jidatnya kelihatan untuk Florencia kurang ke atas, Permai kurang ke atas, Aliza, kemudian Torik, Rajwa, Rozi, oke ya, oke, naik ke atas, kepalanya, Bu Aida, oke. Zaharani masih jidatnya tok, Torik, ini Afif dengan saya ya, jadi Afif ini bukan mahasiswa. Salsabila, ini Rosi kurang ke atas, Rosi tidak kelihatan mukanya. Rosi, Torik, Rajwa, ayo kelihatan cepetan. Oke, Rizka, alhamdulillah, ayo gambar. Torik, Rajwa,
Torik gak bisa internet. Kameranya
kamera gak iso.
Ya.
Rajwa, Cynthia Putri, Salsabila, Inani Putri. Ayo cepetan ya, Rek.
Sekarang
Ya,
tutup.
oke. Oke. Hmm. Salsabila, Inani. Ini Pak Lanang mek lucu ya. Ayo. Nadira, Isnani. Sebentar. Oke. Itu naikkan ke atas kepalanya. Nadira, Cynthia Putri. Oke. Rajwa kurang ke atas. Hmm. Ayo. Rina Fitriandani, Salsabila, Amalia. Kolpi gak iso ketok.
Tahu nggak bisa.
Oh, Kolpi nggak bisa kelihatan ya. Kolpi ini India ya. India. Kolpi is my student India.
Iya.
Toko India ya. Salsabila, coba mikir. Amalia, ayo Rek, cepetan Rek. Cynthia Putri. Ayo sebentar Dok, terus kemudian selesai ya. Cynthia, Amalia, Rina, ya. Oh, Cynthia ini juga tidak mematuhi peraturan loh ini. Tidak ada min kelas A-nya. Tapi yang Jum pertama.
Maaf Ibu,
Ya, kenapa? Itulah saya mulai begini anu. Min A Amalia. Yang Zoom pertama tadi juga nggak ada ya. Cynthia Putri ada. Bisa nanti kan yang evaluasi Afif yang anu. Kalau nggak ada min A-nya berarti bukan. Ini Hani juga, ini Hani Dwi Dayani. Terus orang Aburek nggak kelihatan mukanya. Oke, ini juga nggak ada. Oh, kok nggak ada min A-nya berarti dari kelas lain. Oh ini Alhamdulillah Cynthia Putri sudah ya. Sudah ada min A-nya. Ayo Aliza, cepetan kelihatan sebentar. Ini sekarang Golbi kelihatan ya. Yang membantu itu Flintstone ya. Jack Flintstone. Aliza, ayo cepet. Aliza toh yang belum kelihatan. Yang Tori konfirmasi nggak bisa. Trouble net-nya. Rima, Fitri Andani. Jadi,
Yes.
sudah ya. Oke. Oke ya. Kita balikan lagi. Oke, terima kasih bisa off cam lagi. Okay, thank you very much for coming. For all my students, Alhamdulillah Alamin, we can perform the visiting lecturer for session 1. Ya, don't forget to join again in session 2 insya Allah next week in Wednesday. I ask your confirmation again to Dr. Muhammad Razwan. Are you sure to give the next visiting lecture at down? It is the 7:30 in our place Indonesia, but in your place it is still down. Are you
Yes,
sure?
I'm sure, but I ask you next time,
Yes.
inshallah,
Okay.
to change the time of lecturing, because 6 o'clock like today is early morning for me, because I'm just waking up, so
After
I'm
tahajud,
not
ya?
concentrating with you in your group.
After tahajud, you give the
No,
visiting lecturer for my student.
9 o'clock
Yes.
9 o'clock maybe good at my time zone. 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock will be 3 o'clock at your time
Oke.
zone.
Bisa ya, Beb?
I think like this.
Bisa ya, bisa ya. Alhamdulillah alamin. Ya, alhamdulillah alamin. Thank you very much.
Alhamdulillah. Thank
Okay,
you. Thank you, Dr. Tatik. Thank you,
okay,
Dr. Tatik.
yes. Okay. I time is over for this visiting lecturer. If you have any question but not connected to the material of mineralogy, please you give the question now. I give you some minutes. Maybe any question from you?
No, no, no.
Maybe you will go to
Just,
Egypt.
no. Just time. Just time.
No, no question.
No question. No question. Thank you, Dr. Tatik,
No.
for collaborating. No, so thank you for cooperation with you.
Okay, okay. I end this time. I say Alhamdulillah alamin. Please you can leave this Zoom. Yeah. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yes.
Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.